Hello sa inyo guys. My name is Tony Chef ng Carson City, Los Angeles, California. So now, Lunes ngayon at ako ay kakain kami ng friend ko dito sa pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, 92K barbecue. Hintayin ko lang kasama ko dahil hindi pwede isa lang. So upo muna tayo dito. At dala-dala ko to. Yan Yan, tingnan nyo 92K. Susubukan ko lang dito. Kasi hindi dito kasi guys, hindi pwedeng yung isang tao lang. Kailangan dalawa hanggat maramihan. Okay? Kaya ito yung robot nila. Siya magdadala ng pagkain sa inyo. Nandito naman sa kabila, yan yung eat all you can. Nandiyan lahat ang mga putahe. Pero mamahintay ko muna yung kasama ko. So now, yan ang aking kasama. Hindi kasi pwedeng isa o dalawa. Kailangan. Okay, yan si Sean. Sushi chef ng yan yung sushi. Ayan. Susubukan natin ang sarap. Ito lang yan sa Carson City. Yan ang kasama ko. O, tara. So now guys, ito na ang aming hi! Wow!
วันนี้สวัสดีครับหน่อย
สวัสดีครับคุก
ร้องเพลงให้ฟังหน่อยซิงเกิลซองไทยซองยูแฮปไทยซองยูโนไทยซอง
No
โน
No
อะไรกับโทนี่ ดูเมนูก่อนนะ
Yan. Okay, balik ako kayo guys. Order lang ako.
Bulgogi and the chicken from 12 through 1 you order with me. You guys can order 3 meats at a time. You can also order 22, 23, and 24 and 25 with me. All the side dishes and everything is going to be self-served in the salad bar as well. Okay? Alright. If you guys want me to get you started with any alcohol, drink, soda, can we have a Coke as a pencil or something? Yeah, Coke. Yeah, Coke. And for you? Sorry?
Okay na now. Ito na. Dito kami sa kabila. Yan. Ito na. Yan ang dishes. Oh my God. See? Yan, side dish.
Kita may ănเลยนะ
Yan.
ข้าวเหลือง
Okay, ito side dishes. Yan. Side by side. Gyoza, my favorite.
egg roll
Egg roll.
ข้าวผัดkimchi fried rice
Kimchi fried rice.
and rice noodle
Rice noodle.
จิ้มนะครับซอสมี
Okay. Tayo sa kabila. Gyoza, damami. Yum yum. Okay, kakain muna kami. Sige guys, kami na ako. Bye. Yan. Guys, head natin. Paborito ko to, kimchi. Anong sayo? Okay, sayo. Gyoza, ang paborito ko, gyoza. and kimchi fried rice. Okay lang. Okay, babalikan ko kayo. Yan, ito ang beef. Tulutuin mo yan. Yum yan. Kaya sinaserve ko na yung gutom ko talaga. Ito ang asparagus. Okay. Bacon. Okay, mamaya ulit. Yan guys, so anong appetizer muna. Okay, ito yung sauce. Ito isa lulutuin. Hilaw pa yan. Okay. Yan na lulutuin. Yan siya. Okay, babalikan ko kayo mamaya. Na ako eh.
But close up, I cut the pork.
Yan, robot yan.
Nó càng giặc rồi. Càng dày mát, ghê mát.
Sarap. Ngayon, no mercy.
ดูตอนนี้สภาพของโทนี่ตอนนี้นะครับ ไม่ไหวแล้ว โอ้โห